Maryada Kuria, most dynamic president of PMK, my dear brother Dr. Anbumani Ramadas ji, Maryada Kuria, Gaurav Talaivar, PMK, GK Mani ji, Singamalai, our BJP dynamic president, Anna Malai ji, another of my loving brothers, Maryada Kuria, GK Vasan ji, TT Dinakaran ji, TTV Dinakaran ji, most respected ex-chief minister, OPS ji, John Pandian ji, Ravi Pachimuttu ji, Vaidalingam ji, and our AG Sampath ji, VV Kalivardhan ji, Rajendran ji, Advocate Balu ji, and Shivkumar ji, all Maryada Kuria on the dais. Deshiya Jananayaka Kutami Sangamam, Anayavarakam Vanakam, Sahodara Sahodaragalai. I am sorry, I don't know perfect Tamil, but only I am appealing all of you. Namadu Chinnam, Mambalam, Namadu Vetriyan Chinnam, Mambalam, Pamaka Vin Chinnam, Mambalam, Ayya Vin Chinnam, Mambalam, Modi ji Vin Chinnam, Mambalam, Nadda ji Vin Chinnam, Mambalam, Amit Shah ji Vin Chinnam, GK Vasan ji, OPS ji, TTV ji Vin Chinnam, John Pandian ji Vin Chinnam, Ravi Pachimuttu ji Vin Chinnam. That is Mambalam, our Ambumani, wait, our candidate, our dynamic candidate, Chinnam Vakalittu Anbumani, Avaragalai Vetri Pera Seyunkal. I don't want to take much of your time, but just now I returned from Jipmer Hospital. Here, Kalacharya, Savu, Arupatti, Anji. That is the Dravidian model of governance, Mr. Stalin. Is this the government? It is shameful in our part. I came to know through our workers. In every gully, every polling, 2 booths, 1 MLA, 10 ministers, and money water flow. Why you are afraid of Dravidian model of rule? If you are having any guts, you send all the ministers out of Vikravandi constituency, then you will win. I am appealing, if you are having guts, you are telling now, with a division of votes you win. Now you win Vikravandi without distributing Panam, without using your power, without doing Gundaism. That is 3 Mukha. 1 Mukha is Katta Panchayati. 1 Mukha is Gundaism. 1 Mukha is corruption. Where is Narendra Modi ji? He is the model of good governance. Bharatiya Jananayaka Kutami, Deshiya Jananayaka Kutami, our leader, proud of world leader, global leader, that is Narendra Modi. This area, Ayya, Ramdas Ayya, Junior Ramdas Ayya, all this Jananayaka Kutami will give befitting reply to your power misuse. I am appealing Election Commission to take care of all measures, enforcement for free and fair election. Then you will win. I am challenging from this dais to the Chief Minister of the state. I am ashamed after seeing the victims, this Kalla Sara, deaths 65. Here at 23 in 2023, nearby, one more incident. Everywhere ganja, everywhere drugs. Is this the model governance of DMK? Your leader, that is Indie bloc leader Rahul Gandhi, says a childlike words against our chief minister and our dynamic this rule, and insulting the Hinduism with violence. They are doing all narrow-minded politics, vote bank politics. But God is great. For Tamil Nadu, all-round development. For Vikravandi, all-round development. Please vote for Mango, Mambalam. Give the chance to my dear brother Ambumani. Sevaye Lachayam, Achi Nichayam. In coming days, Sevaye Lachayam, development Lachayam, Vikravandi, all-round development. Definitely will do it. With these words, Romba Santosham, Nandri Vanakkam.